Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the error with GTA where your cursor or your escape menu or your map lags when you're trying to navigate through the options in game. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually fix this issue is quite simple, and I myself have actually suffered from this problem with GTA. And the thing about it is it doesn't have anything to do with your drivers or your PC not being powerful enough to run the game. It's more to do with the in-game settings for GTA. So to fix this, you guys would want to click on Escape, and this will pull out the escape menu showing you the map, your cursor, and the game configuration settings. So the idea here is you'd want to hit settings, and you'll be met with a bunch of different options here, being gamepad, keyboard and mouse, keybinds, audio, camera, display, graphics, advanced graphics, voice chat, and so on. Now, the thing about this is, as you can see, I'm kind of lagging right now. So you can see my cursors like skipping frames. So the fix for this is I could actually escape out of the menus and reopen it again. And there we go. Game's running smoothly, no problem. But if you suffer from this problem where it's all laggy, it actually has to do with two settings. So the first one being keyboard and mouse. And even if you guys are playing the game on a controller, this will become an issue for you. So you want to make sure that you change the settings for this. So you want to go to this tab right here, keyboard and mouse, and you'll see that there's an option called mouse input method. Now, by default, this is set to raw input. Now, the way to fix it is you guys would want to set this to Windows or Windows input. So I'm going to switch it. It's actually not switching. Actually, I think I have to use the arrow keys. Okay, so here we are, Windows. And this will actually help fix the problem. But I'm going to keep it at raw input, and that's for a different reason. Something I won't get into, but that's one way to fix the problem. Now, another thing that you guys can try. Actually, let me escape real quick. There's actually a reason why I keep the settings like this. Is to go to display, and then, oh, actually, not display. You would want to go to the graphics tab, like so, and you want to make sure that VSync is turned on. Now, by default, I believe VSync is turned off. And what this does is, with VSync turned on, it's going to match your monitor's refresh rate with the game's FPS. So let's say that your monitor has a max refresh rate of 144 hertz. So what this means is that when you have VSync turned on, it's going to limit the game's frames per second to 144. So this gets rid of screen tearing and effectively improve your gameplay experience. So it makes the simulation feel much smoother. Now, you guys would want to actually keep the setting on. It actually helps. But if it's causing you problems, you can try turning it off. It's actually a matter of trial and error. But basically, those two settings are what you need to change to fix the input lag of the game or the menu lag. And that's really all there is to it. So yeah, that's video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.